Hello, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Henry. I'm an Enugu state-based realtor, and in today's video, I'll be giving you some misconceptions people have about real estate investment. Most of the time, these misconceptions are what makes people not to invest or scared of investing in real estate property, especially here in Nigeria. In this video, I listed some of the misconceptions I've observed people have about investing in real estate. So the number one here is saving to invest. Most people think you need to have pile of cash before investing in real estate, but this is usually not the case. You don't need pile of cash stock up somewhere in order to invest in real estate. For example, here in Enugu, where I'm based in, there is this property we just sold out on, which is Destiny Layout. Destiny Layout was selling for 1 million naira, and before the price could even increase, the property was sold off. It sold for 1 million naira. So there are so many affordable properties. There are so many cheap properties that are going for 1 million naira, 1.1 million naira around Enugu. So if you check well, you're going to get some of these properties. But mind you, you are not getting these properties in the heart of Enugu in towns. You are getting this property off sketch Enugu. That doesn't mean that development is not going to come there, but the development is going to come there, but it's going to take a little while before getting there. There are some other options you can use to gain affordable or low price property. Most of the time, when a real estate company launches a new estate, they usually run what we call pre-sales or pre-launch promo. Now, those pre-launch promo, they usually sell the price of the estates lower than the normal prices so as to attract buyers. These are the kind of opportunities that you need to key into in order to gain a lower price real estate. For example, there is this property that I'm marketing. Is called Square Meter Garden Estate. This property is just newly launched. It's going for 10 million naira, but it's a pre-launch promo that is going on now, which makes this property to go for as low as 8 million naira. So if you key into this property now, you get this property for 8 million naira. Another misconception people have about real estate investment is that they sell too soon, or another mistake people have about real estate investment is that they sell too soon. Time is the magic source of investment, especially in real estate investment. When you buy and hold the property until you need them, let's say for about 3 to 5 years, that's when you reap all the benefit that comes with investing in real estate. This advice is even much more important than starting investment. If you don't have the patience to hold a property for a specific period of time, let's say from 5 years and above, please don't even go into real estate investment, because you might not gain the amount of money, or you might not meet your expectation in this investment. This is especially for those who are going into land banking. Land banking is not a short-term investment, but rather a long-term investment. To go into a land banking, you must have the ability of being patient. You must leave the investment to grow for a specific period of time so that the value can appreciate over that period of time. Another misconception people have about real estate investment is that people usually say things are too high. Things are too high for real. In Nigeria, we are suffering from an increasing rate of inflation. But real estate investment is one of the few tools which you can use to fight inflation. By this I mean, when you buy a property now, for example, when you buy a property of, let's say, a 3 million naira property, let's say like a property and market, the Monic estate, which is going for 3 million naira, and you leave it for a specific period of time, within the next 5 or 3 years, that property must have appreciated. This implies that we are securing not just the future of yourself, you are also securing the future of your children. So real estate investment is one of the very, very, very critical tools which you can use to fight inflation in any economy you find yourself. Another misconception people have about real estate investment is that they usually say real estate investment is for the rich people. But the reverse is the case. Real estate investment is not for the rich people. It's not for the rich guys. Real estate investment is what makes you become rich. Real estate investment is for everybody. There are lots of real estate opportunities here in Enugu where the capital or the money which is used to acquire those property is not even very much. And also, there are some payment options which companies offers to intending investors. So please take out the mindset of real estate investment is for just for the rich people. Real estate investment is not for rich people. Rather, real estate investment is a vehicle that take you from where you are to becoming rich. Another misconception people have about real estate investment is that they usually say real estate investment is too risky. Yes, real estate investment is risky. It's risky if you don't have the right people behind you and you don't have the basic knowledge about real estate investment. If you are backed with the right people, the right realtor, just like myself, if you are backed with an experienced lawyer, a good real estate company, if you know how to conduct a due diligence on a property, I'm telling you, you will surmount this fear or this challenge of risk in real estate, or fraudulent activities in real estate. So with the right people, with the right realtor, with the right lawyer, right knowledge about real estate investment, right company, you are going to surmount the fear of fraudsters in real estate. The last but not the least misconception people have about real estate is that they don't usually foresee the future of a particular area. For example, Monic Estate is located at Uogo, and if you are in Enugu, you would have observed the trend of growth, or the trend of the growth in the population in that axis. From Ibagwa, you will see that the population is moving towards that Igogo axis, that Usuka Expressway. The accreditation of the new Maduka University along that road. If you have a good eye for the future, you will see that those places are going to improve or are going to increase in value in a very short period of time. So that's why I usually say that whenever you go for a site inspection, you need to check those factors that makes people come to an area, such as the schools, factories. Monica said is also very close to a plastic producing factory. So these are some of the things that makes people or increase the population of a certain area. And when the population begins to increase in a certain location, or when the population begins to move towards a certain location, the price and the value of properties around that area starts skyrocketing. I hope this video has been very useful to you. Like the video and subscribe in order to gain more content about real estate investment. My name is Henry Mado. I'm a real estate consultant. If you're looking forward to buy a property here in Enugu, my number is on the screen. Contact me, like my page, follow for more real estate tips. Thank you.